to be first and problem with you on area. In this area that we have to break apart the shapes. So in this shape, no. Let me exit out of this way. All right, so we're gonna do better like this so I can roll it. All right, so it's an area problem, and like I said, we need to separate these into shapes we can easily find the area of. So it looks like we can separate this into some squares and rectangles. So I'm gonna just separate it first. All right, the second thing we will do is find the area of each. So looking up here, that looks like that'll be 20 and 20. So that'll be 20 times 20 to get 400. Now with some of these other pieces, due to how we separated them, you may have to pay close attention to how they are separated. Like this square. This square. So all of this was 70. This part is 20. And this part is 40, so that means this whole section is only 60. So that means this piece is 10. So then looking on the side, if that's 20, this is 20, so then 20 plus 30 is 50. So now in the bottom we have 60 times 30, 1800. 6 times 3 is 18, 2 zeros, add 2 zeros. So then looking at the smaller rectangle in the corner, we have 10 times 20, which will give us 200. After we have found the area of all those smaller pieces, we are going to add them together. So we have 1800 plus 400 plus 200. 6 and 8 plus 4. So the area would be 2,400 centimeters and squared. Area always has a little 2. As you notice, when I separated my shape, I drew in it. I kind of like to draw in it to remind myself, okay, I found the area of that piece before I move along. Problem number 2. Ms. Gonzalez needs to repaint one side of her house to decide how much to paint. He needs to find this area. All right, so looking at this shape, first thing I'm going to do is separate it. Separate it there. Don't look too straight. Let me try to straighten it up. All right, so I separated it there. Then looking at top, I can separate it here. So now I have 3 total pieces. I'm going to label them as 1, 2, and 3. So in the first one, it looks like a rectangle. We need length and width. So it looks like that'll be 12 and 24. And then I will do 12 times 24. To get 288. Shape 2 is a rectangle. One question. And the formula for an area of a triangle, 1/2 times base times height. So then that'll be 1/2 times the base. That's 12, all together 15. Nope. All of this is 22, that's 12, so this will be 10. And then the height will go this length. And they told us that amount is 15. Then that'd be 1/2 times 150. Half of 150 is 75. In the third shape, looks like a trapezoid. I'm gonna come over here. Area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So base 1 could be the same base from that triangle, which was 10. Base 2, all of this is 15. That part was 12, so that means that's 3. And then the height, all of that's 24. That part was 15, so that would be 9. 10 and 3, 13, 9. 13 is 9, 117. Half of 117, 58.5. Got the area of all 3. And look. Oh, 21.5. And don't forget our unit squared. See you later.